Have you ever been putting in all the hard work, eating right, exercising, doing everything by the book, but suddenly, the scale just won't budge? It's like your weight loss journey has hit a wall, and no matter what you do, nothing seems to work. If this sounds familiar, you're probably stuck in a weight loss plateau. But don't worry, because in today's video, I'm going to help you break through that frustrating fat loss plateau. We'll talk about why it happens, what you can do to push past it, and how long it might take to start seeing results again. So, if you're ready to get back on track and crush your weight loss goals, stick around because this is exactly what we're diving into today. Let me ask you, how would it feel to finally see the scale move again? Imagine waking up one day, stepping on that scale, and realizing you've finally broken through that plateau. Sounds great, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to share the exact steps to make that happen, so stay with me till the end because what I'm about to share could be the game changer you need. I remember when I hit my first weight loss plateau. It was one of the most frustrating experiences of my life. I had been making steady progress for weeks, and then, all of a sudden, the scale just stopped moving. I felt like I was doing everything right, tracking my calories, working out regularly, but nothing was changing. It felt like all my hard work was going to waste. Sound familiar? Well, that's because weight loss plateaus happen to almost everyone at some point. So, why does this happen? Well, when you first start losing weight, your body burns calories more easily because you have more body mass. But as you lose weight, your body needs fewer calories to function, and your metabolism adjusts to this new normal. Essentially, your body becomes more efficient at running on less energy, which can cause progress to stall. When I hit that first plateau, I realized that what had been working for me before wasn't going to keep working forever. I needed to switch things up. Now, here's where it gets interesting. To break through a plateau, you need to make changes that shake your body out of its new routine. This could mean adjusting your calorie intake, changing up your workouts, or even just giving your body a little time to rest and recover. Speaking of change, have you ever hit a plateau in your journey? If so, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience and how you've tried to tackle it. So, what can you do to break a plateau? For me, it was all about finding new ways to challenge my body. I started by changing up my workout routine. Instead of doing the same exercises every day, I introduced new activities like strength training and interval workouts. This forced my body to adapt to new movements, and it didn't take long before I started seeing progress again. I also looked at my diet and realized I needed to adjust my calorie intake. As I had lost weight, I didn't need as many calories as I did when I first started, so I reduced my portions slightly and focused more on whole, nutrient-dense foods. These small changes made a huge difference. And here's a little tip, sometimes, giving your body a short break can be just what it needs. When I gave myself permission to rest for a few days, I found that I came back stronger and more motivated. It's easy to forget that rest is part of the process too. Now, you might be wondering, how long is this going to take? When will I start seeing results again? In my experience, once you've made the necessary changes, it can take anywhere from a couple of weeks to a month to start noticing movement on the scale again. I know that sounds like a long time, but trust me, consistency is key. When I made those changes, adjusting my workouts, fine-tuning my diet, and allowing myself rest, it felt like nothing was happening at first. But then, slowly but surely, the scale started to move again. The key here is patience. Stick with your new plan, and don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember, you didn't hit that plateau overnight, and you won't break through it overnight either. But with persistence, you will get there. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new information-packed video. So, to recap, first, understand that a weight loss plateau is totally normal. It's your body's way of adjusting to the progress you've already made. Then, switch things up. Change your workout routine, tweak your diet, and give your body the challenge it needs to keep moving forward. And finally, be patient. Breaking through a plateau takes time, but if you stay consistent, you will see the results you're working so hard for. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I've got another one lined up that I think you'll love. Just click on the video right here to keep learning and exploring more great tips. Stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.